Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshmi. Today's date is 1st December 2021. Today's my Viva video topic is sorting technique with time and space complexity. So first of all we are seeing the sorting. So sorting is a method in which it is arrange an element array in a particular in a particular format, either ascending or descending order. Is okay, it is called as sorting. So now let's see the types of sorting. Basically there are 10 types of sorting. Okay, so which are they? Let's see. I know 5 types. Okay, first one is bubble sorting, second one is insertion sorting, third one is selection sorting, fourth one is merge sorting, and fifth one is quick sorting. Okay, so these are all types of sorting. Now let's see the time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity, first one, let's see the space complexity. Okay, so space complexity is an algorithm. It is represent the amount of memory space at it need to the algorithm of its life cycle. Okay, is known as space complexity. And time complexity, in which the time complexity of an algorithm, it is representing of the amount of time required by the algorithm of to execute the completion. Okay, is known as time complexity. Okay, the simple example of space complexity, just a simple example. You write in a one program, there are you using 3 variable like integer. Okay, so all integer byte is integer size is 4 bytes. Okay, so in you write in 3 variable in any just write in one example, in you write in 3 variable. Okay, so there are space complexity are increases. Okay, but you write in just in one variable, but you complete your one program, 1 to 2 variable, but you complete in your one program. Okay, so there are space complexity are decreased. Okay, so this is a space complexity. And time complexity. Okay, time complexity, in which the time complexity you write is just simple example, simple any exam or write any program, but there are more. You write program like if else condition, if condition, then again you write if else condition. But in this case you write just in one single condition and run the program, and your output are same. Okay, your output like you write the you just uh, your programmer increasing in if else condition or other. Okay, but same output are same, but output are same uh, in in output are same. Okay, but you write just programming in uh, small variable or small in a short, in you write in short, so there are time complexity are less. Okay, so time are reduced there. So these are time complexity. Okay, so this is all about technique, uh, sorting technique with time and space complexity. Thank you.